patient of Dr. Becky Coates. My actual pain started in the hinges right here of my jaw, reverberated right down into my bite. I would even have sinus problems under my eyes. Believe it or not, my face used to slope. It used to slope this way, just like that, with my lip hanging down. The pain that I felt would go all the way from the back of my neck, all the way down to my shoulders and into my spine. When I sat and watched TV, I would actually sit like this. Trying to put any amount of food in my mouth where I had to chew was out of the question. I lived on a soft diet. My weight was terrible. My skin was terrible. And the pain that radiated into my shoulders, believe it or not, radiated down into my wrists. Working out was out of the question. There was one evening when it was my girlfriend's birthday and we were supposed to go to a concert, and I really was in a lot of pain and just didn't want to go to this concert, but I went. This concert was a Christian concert. I'm a woman of deep faith. The band that was doing the show decided to give out Bibles, and they went around and the lead singer said, everybody in here deserves a second chance. It doesn't matter what kind of pain you're going through, be it physical, mental, emotional, or financial, everyone deserves a second chance. And he pointed right at me and he said, even you. And I'm sitting there in pain, and I go home at night and I said, okay, this must have been my calling to Christ and my calling to finally do something about my situation, that I didn't have to live like this anymore. And Googled TMJ, pain, hope, and the first thing that came up was TMJ Center, Grapevine, Texas, Dr. Becky Coates. And at 7 a.m., somebody called me back. What really touched me about the entire situation was that I made a connection with this individual. She actually understood my pain. She understood what I was going through. She gave me a brief breakdown of the first couple of financial installments, what it would take to come in and actually have the testing and everything done. And I came in and my life has changed since. Not even 24 hours. I left Dr. Coates' office and I went to the grocery store and I smiled at them and she says, you know, you got beautiful teeth. And I was like, yes. Thank you, Dr. Coates. I get compliments all the time. It's not the wrinkles on your face that give your age away. It's your smile and your attitude. So anybody that has a really good smile and has a really good attitude on life, I think is much younger than somebody who's full of Botox and fillers. My energy levels went up. Nowadays, I skydive. I can ride horseback. I can trek. I can hike. So all those pains that I felt in my body that had me just totally off balance are gone. If you can't eat properly, you're not going to get the fuel that you need. Your liver doesn't work right. Your kidneys don't work right. It's just a big puzzle that once all the pieces start falling together and the machine gets oiled up and you start going and going again, life gets fabulous. It's a totally different world for you. And I think that everybody that has TMJ should, wherever you go, give yourself that chance to live again. It's been a totally different life, and I can't thank Dr. Coates and her entire staff enough. They are the best team that you will find. The human touch is very important, and you deserve to have that touch.